Hi, I'm Kev Johnson. I'm at Kev_Johnson on Twitter. I blog at v-it.pro, and you can catch me on the podcast at opentechcast.com. 2016 in one sentence for me has been out of my comfort zone. I've been mingling with a lot of people. We started the podcast. I made a commitment at the beginning of the year to start blogging. I got the vExpert award, which was lovely. A couple of new VCPs in there. But I'm kind of trying to push myself all the time, and I've been tinkering with OpenStack for the last 6 months or so, and for the last month or so I've decided I really need to push myself for some AWS certifications. More on that later. Industry trends for 2017 and how it's going to affect me. Well, there's the inevitable move towards more cloud computing. AWS is, I think it's safe to say, going to continue eating everyone else's lunch. Microsoft are going to try and play catch up with Azure. Obviously, they're putting a lot of effort into that, and it's starting to make payoffs. I think it's going to be a while before they're going to be anywhere near the size of AWS, and yeah, to me, it seems fairly clear, right? AWS are going to be the dominant player for quite some time. As I said earlier, I'm skilling up to do some of those associate level and then hopefully professional level exams in the next 2 to 3 months. Just because that seems to me where the requirement for the industry is going. More businesses are going to realise that cloud native applications are the future. It's obviously a buzzword, but we all know that's where things are going. Majority of enterprises are probably going to write cloud native off as a buzzword, and I imagine some of them are going to start making efforts to refactor their applications into 12-factor apps. But the vast majority of businesses are going to write this off as a fad, and they're going to cling to their legacy application stacks. Other than that, food is going to continue to be served on planks of wood in hipster cafes. Justin Bieber is going to continue his inexplicable domination of pop culture at the expense of the far superior Taylor Swift, and neckbeards are going to be in serious decline in the data centre. Finally, one piece of advice for IT managers preparing for 2017. For me, look at your line of business applications, see which ones of those are candidates to go cloud native, and start that process off now. Also, look to see which applications you've got that you could probably actually look to retire. There's going to be some legacy stuff in there that's just it's not going to be a fit for the modern world, and this is as good an opportunity as ever to put them out to pasture, so to speak. Other than that, obviously give all of your IT staff a massive pay rise, because they've definitely earned it in the past year, and they're going to be doing more and more stuff with less and less time as time goes on. Thanks very much.